We'll talk about each and every one of those things highlighted and where they fit on the diagram. So back side, I remember that's the left side, complete left side, that's the back side, and it gives you the value 1.23. Intermediary sides or side are at where B and C is, 1.89 for B and for C 2.43. Then foreside is the complete value on the right there. Now, the temporary benchmark is 70. Why? Because if you look at your notes, it talks about the average level above sea level, the average length above sea level. And that varies for different places where you're surveying or different things that you're surveying. Now, STA stands for stations. So that's the one in yellow. Station A is there, B is there, C and D so on. I don't think you should have a problem with that. So backside, the answer is given to you 1.23. And backside is only at A. There is none at B, C or D. So we can cross those out. We don't need to fill values in there. Intermediary side, we've got one at B, 1.89. And we put that one there. And then at C, we've got 2.43. And we put that one there. So we don't have an intermediary site at A because that's the foresight. We don't have an intermediary site at D because that's the back side. Thank you, Diane. So that one is the foresight, which is 3.15, the very right. Now, the height of the instrument will never change. It's that dotted line over there. That's the height of the instrument. All of these things we are referencing to a datum line. And last time I made an error. The datum line is this one here. And that's our reference point to measure all of these values, our starting point. Now, if we look at the height of the instrument, to get the height of the instrument, we just do the temporary benchmark plus 1.23. And we get 71.23. Then, the height of the instrument is that dotted line. You see that dotted line doesn't change. That's why the height of the instrument is the same all the way. That one there. Now, reduced level. To do reduced level, for A, you take that 71.23, subtract 1.23. You get 70. Then for B, you do 71.23 minus 1.89. You get the reduced level for B. For C, you do 71.23 minus 2.43, you get 68.8, and so on. Distance, that one you're just looking at the bottom. At A, the distance is 0, at B, it's 5, at C, it's 10, and then at D, it's 15 meters. Any questions with that? Make sure you study.